Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 brings super fashionable and contemporary look. The brand new weapon of the Xiaomi Redmi Note family will come with a super fashionable look and contemporary thanks to metallic materials and tempting specs. The screen also uses a touch technology of 2.5D glass and full screen display with a ratio of 18:9, thus giving the impression of more beautiful, luxurious and comfortable to hold. In the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 series, Xiaomi Mobile seems not only selling specs only, the beauty of design as well as being one of Xiaomi's focus. Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is so comforting to each user with IPS LCD screen 5.99 inches resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels or Full HD+, because using the ratio of 18:9 screen HP is sure to be so nice grasped, seemed to hold HP with 5 screens, 5 inches. As for the software, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 will run MiUi 9.0 based on Android v7.0 Nougat. The fingerprint scanner and Qualcomm Quik Charge 3.0 features have also been embedded on the latest Xioami hotshot. A quite special improvement is in the ability of the camera. On the backside there is a 12MP camera photography f2.0 aperture using Sony IMX234 sensor and equipped with phase detection, autofocus, dual LED flash, supported 1080p, Full HD, recording capability. While the front camera Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 is also certain to be able to compete in the class with 5MP resolution camera. While the power section of the kitchen Redmi Note 5 will pair the best-selling processor class, that is Snapdragon 625 octa-core 2.0 GHz using 14nm fabrication. This processor not only has a fast performance, power consumption is also relatively low. With Adreno 506 GPU support, as well as 3/4 of a GB RAM, 32/64 of a GB internal memory. This smartphone is relatively responsive for multitasking or gameplay. 4000 mAh battery is also prepared to support all smartphone activities. Access Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 supports dual SIM standby, which can be activated simultaneously. The IPS system runs with the Android OS v7.0 Nougat, which offers thousands of applications. Security fingerprint scanner that ensures the user data is safe. Fast charging, Qualcomm Quik Charge 3.0, so no need to wait long while charging.